Let's talk about server components versus client components in Next.js. The key question is, when should code run on the server, and when should it run in the browser? React Server Components, or RSC, are the default in Next.js. They allow you to fetch data and render UI directly on the server. This keeps your client-side bundle smaller and makes the app faster. Client components, on the other hand, are used when you need interactivity, like handling clicks or managing local state. Here are the main differences. Server components run only on the server. They can fetch data directly, don't include client runtime, and result in smaller bundles and faster first loads. They also help keep sensitive logic hidden on the server. Client components run in the browser. They handle interactivity, use hooks like useState, and access browser APIs. For example, this server component fetches user data on the server and sends ready-to-render HTML to the browser. The client doesn't need to fetch again. In contrast, the client component example defines a button that toggles between follow and unfollow. This must run in the browser because it depends on state changes and user clicks. So, when should you use server components? They're perfect for data-heavy pages where you want to avoid client-side fetches. They also improve SEO and performance since the content is ready faster. And they're ideal for private tasks like handling secrets or heavy computations safely on the server. In this real-world example, the page fetches posts on the server, renders them, and then includes a follow button as a client component for interactivity. This mix gives you the best of both worlds: fast server-rendered content with lightweight client interactions. Key takeaway: use server components by default for data and layout, and client components only when you need interactivity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications.